The rarest animals, the top 15. 1. Saola. Occurs in Vietnam, Laos. The saola was discovered in 1992, but is already on the verge of extinction. According to rough estimates, the population ranges from a few dozen to 200 individuals. Scientists cannot say more precisely because the animals of this rare species lead a secretive way of life. Based on genetic analyses, it was only possible to determine exactly that the saola belongs to the horned family. 2. The Javanese rhinoceros. Habitat: Indonesia. Once widespread in Southeast Asia, the Javanese rhinoceros is now one of the top 10 rarest. The main reason was poaching its horn is used to make traditional Chinese potions. As of September 2020, the number of animals in the world was 74, all living in Wujung Kulon National Park on the island of Java. 3. The Amur tiger. Habitat: Russia, Far East, China. The Amur tiger is not only one of the rarest animals, but also the largest tiger occupying the northernmost part of its range. It is also one of the few animals in the world where the father takes part in rearing the offspring. By the way, do you know how animals recognize their parents? This was recorded by a trap photo in the Lazovsky State Reserve. L. G. Kaplanov in 2016. It turned out that males communicate with their families visually and with odor tags left on trees. Between 1930 and 2018, the Amur tiger's population grew from about 30 to 550, but it is still on the brink of extinction and one of the 10 rarest animals. 4. Okapi, half zebra, half horse, half giraffe. Occurs in the Democratic Republic of Congo. This part human is as if created from several animals. Its legs are black and white like a zebra, it has the size and structure of a horse, and its forehead has two short horns like a giraffe. Since okapi are very shy and secretive, and also live in a country where there has been a civil war for many years, there is little information about them. And the first picture was made only in 2008, 107 years after the report of the animals. And that thanks to a camera trap. 5. Longfinch. Inhabits islands of Southeast Asia. Zoologists all over the world call these very rare animals living fossils, because for the last 45 million years they have hardly changed. Due to their huge eyes against the background of the tiny body, longfoots are considered one of the most unusual animals in the world. A 12-centimeter specimen has eyes as big as 1.5 centimeters in diameter. Such large visual organs allow rare animals to see perfectly in the dark. And in 2012, scientists at Dartmouth College discovered that unusual animals can also send and receive ultrasonic signals. 6. Guanaco, the Highland camel. Habitat: South American countries. The largest herbivore in South America, and one of the rarest animals in the world, belongs to the camel family, although similar in proportions to an antelope or deer. Because of its highly developed respiratory system, guanaco lives at altitudes of up to 5,500 meters above sea level, where many others find it difficult to breathe because of the thin air. Moreover, below 3,000 meters these rare animals feel out of place. 7. Willow horn. Dwells the prairies of North America. Among the most interesting animals in the world is also the oldest representative of ungulates in North America, the Villarogos. Its excellent eyesight allows it to spot predators at a distance of 6 kilometers. To inform its congeners of the approaching danger, the Villaro ruffles a white 6 around its tail. When it sees the sign, the others flee, reaching speeds of up to 90 kilometers per hour. The Villaro is one of the fastest animals in the world, second only to the cheetah in speed. 8. The pygmy anteater. Habitat: Central and South America. The pygmy anteater is the smallest representative of this species. Out of its 36 to 45 centimeters in length, the tail is 18 centimeters long, which helps it to climb trees perfectly. And a special secret allows this rare animal of the world to scare away enemies. The smell they emit is 5 to 7 times stronger than that of the skunk, and in the ranking of scientists at the University of California at Berkeley it ranked among the top 6 most disgusting. 9. Red wolf. Habitat: Asian countries, Russia, Far East and Siberia. For its red coloration, the red wolf is often confused with the fox. It also has signs of a coyote, which made scientists think it came from an interspecies mating between the gray wolf and the coyote. But in 2019, researchers at Florida State University determined that the red wolf is a separate species. The animals keep packs of 5 to 30 individuals, which makes them successful at hunting even buffalo. 10. Takin. Occurs in northeast India, Tibet, Nepal, China. The takin is one of the most beautiful animals in the world. It is close to goats and rams in its systematic position, but looks more like a small golden bull. It has a shaggy, whitish skin with a golden hue that is sometimes compared to a golden fleece. There are about 25,000 in total, and despite protection, numbers continue to decline. 11. Russian Vikulka. Habitat: Russia, Volga, Don, Ural and Dnieper basins. The animal, which survived mammoths, is now endemic to Russia. In 1986, the Russian Vikulka was included in the International Red Book, and later in the Red Book of Russia. With a body length of about 20 centimeters, roughly the same tail, and a weight of about 500 g, she needs to feed both day and night every 3 to 4 hours. In one day the Russian Vikulka eats approximately as much as it weighs. 12. Kairola. Habitat: Kenya, Somalia. A representative of the horned animal family, the Hirola, also known as the hunter's bugle, is also a rare species. This animal lives in groups, and there are 7 to 8 females for each male. To attract them during the mating season, which is March-April, the male shuffles his hooves and cries special secretions that come from his preorbital glands. You will do anything for a lady's heart. 13. The ground wolf. Dwells in the countries of Eastern and Southern Africa. In spite of its name, this rare animal has nothing in common with wolves. This animal belongs to the family of hyenas, but it is twice as small as a real hyena. Its body length is only 55 to 95 centimeters and height is 45 to 50 centimeters. The ground wolf usually hides in its burrows during the day and goes out hunting at night. Unlike the hyena, he eats termites rather than carrion. He eats 200,000 to 300,000 insects a night. 14. The Peters's trunk dog. Occurs in southeastern Kenya and northeastern Tanzania. Its keen sense of smell is perhaps the only thing the critter has in common with the dog. It has a branched genealogical tree. It is related to rodents of the jumper family by its long hind legs, and to elephants by the presence of a proboscis. Only if elephants use it as a hand, Peters's trunk dog searches for food with its help: ants, beetles, spiders and other invertebrates hidden among leaves. 15. Humpback whale. Dwells almost all oceans, except some areas of the Arctic Ocean. Researchers learned in the 1970s that humpback whales make melodic sounds, and later they were able to determine that different populations could exchange repertoires. Male whales have a special singing talent. In 2017, Danish biologists at Aarhus University made another discovery: cubs are able to make quiet sounds to warn their parents of danger. While loud songs can be heard 30 kilometers away, whispers can be picked up tens of meters away.